Hello everybody. Today in this class, I'm going to discuss you about a small project on swings. That is, I completed in the previous classes, or I completed the core Java concepts. So today we'll do a small project. This project is based on swings. That is how to design a calculator. So first there is a package named com.calculator. This Java program is to create a simple calculator. So first you need to import java.awt.event.start. Then class cals extends the JFrame class and implements the action listener interface. First create a frame instance, that is static JFrame F. Then create a text field instance, static J text field L. Then store the operator and create the operator and operands, that is string S0, S1 and S2. S0, S1 and S2 are the strings. Then this is the default constructor. First always the control starts from the main method. Here the first object is created for the JFrame and the name of the JFrame is calculator. Then inside the try, this is the UI manager dot set look and feel of UI manager dot get system look and feel class. And this is just to set the look and feel. And after the try block, you create the object of the calculator. That is, when you create the object of the class, the control enters into this default constructor, and here S0 is equal to S1 equal to S2 is empty or null. Then create a text field. That is text field. Create an object for the text field. That is L equal to new J text field of size is 16. Then set the text field to non-editable. That is, the text box should be non-editable. The only application can change, whereas the user cannot edit the or change the text field. That is L dot set editable to false. Then create the number buttons and some operators. What are the buttons? J buttons you are taking here. J button B0, B1, B2, B3, B4 up to B9, and BA is for addition, BS is for subtraction, BD is for division, BM is for multiplication, BE is for equal, and okay, three more buttons like BE, BEQ and BEQ1. First create the number buttons. How do you create the number buttons? Create an object for number buttons. That is B0 equal to create an object for B0 and the name of the button is 0. Create the object for B1. Name of the button is 1. Create the object for B2. Name of the button is 2. Create the object for button B3. J button B3. Name of the button is 3. Create the object for B4 button. Name is 4. Create the object for B5 button. Name is 5. Create the object for B6 button. Name is 6. Create the object for B7 button. Name is 7. Create the object for B8 button. Name is 8. Create the object for B9 button. Name is 9. Then equals button. Create the object for equals button. BEQL equal to new J button of equal to. Name of the button is equal. Then create the operator buttons. What are the operators you are having? That is in a calculator. What are the operations you perform? Addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. And this C is for clear operation. So BA button is created. Create an object for BA button and the name is plus. Create the object for BS button, name is minus. Create the object for BD button, name is division. Create the object for BM button and the name is multiplication. Create the object for equal button. For clear button, that is name is C. Then create a dot button. That is BE equal to new J button of dot. Then create a panel. Create an object for JPanel. Why? Because you need to add all these components to this JPanel. Then add action listeners. Once you say bm dot add action listener of C, uh, first add all the elements to the panel P. That is text field, the buttons, everything you add to the panel P. Then set the background color of the panel to blue. Add the panel to the frame. Set the size of the frame to, that is width to 200 and height to 220. Then when you say b dot add action listener of C, when you say b dot add action listener of C, Then the control enters into this action, public void action performed of action event A. Then string s equal to e dot get action command. And if what is the condition you are checking here? If value is a number, how do you check the condition? If s dot character rate of 0 is greater than or equal to 0 and s dot character rate of 0 is less than or equal to 9 or s dot character rate of 0 is equal to dot, then begin. If operand is present, then add the second number. That is, if any operand is present, then add the s to the second number. That is, if s1 is not equal to null, then s2 is assigned to s2 plus s, else s0 is assigned to s0 plus s. Then set the value of the text. After performing the operation, you set the value of the text. That is, whatever the operation you perform, then set the value of the text box. How do you set the value of the text box? To the text field. L is the text field here. L dot set text of s0 plus s1 plus s2. Else if s dot character rate of 0 equal to clear. Then clear one letter. How do you clear one letter? S0 is assigned to S1 is assigned to S2 is assigned to none. Then again set the value of text after clearing. That is L dot set text of S0 plus S1 plus S2. Else if S dot character rate of 0 is equal to equal. Then print the result. What is the result here? Double TE. Result is double TE. Then store the value in the list. If S1 dot equals of plus operation, then what is the result? Is stored in TA, that is double dot, you convert to S0 to double parse using parse table and S2 to parse table and add the two things and store it in TA. Else if S1 dot equals minus, convert S0 to double using parse table, S2 to double using parse table and subtract the two things and store in TA. Else if S1 dot equals division, convert S0 to double using parse table and S2 to double using parse table, then perform the division and store the result in TE. Else TE equal to double dot parse table of S0 into double dot parse table of S2. Then again set the value of the text. That is L dot set text of S0 plus S1 plus S2 plus equal to the result TE. Then convert it in result into string. How do you convert in string? Using toString method. That is S0 equal to double dot toString of TE. Then set S1 equal to S2 equal to null. Else if you find there was no operand, then what you do? If S1 dot equals null or S2 dot equals null, then S1 is assigned to S. That is, if both the strings are null, then S1 will be equal to S. Else evaluate again, else evaluate and store the result in double T. Again, if there are operands, then perform these operations again. Then convert the result to the string using toString method and store it in S0. Then place the operator, that is S1 assigned to S, and make the operand blank, S2 is assigned to none. Then set the value of the text, L dot set text of S0 plus S1 plus S2. So once you run this project, calculator project, we'll see how it works. So this is your calculator, small calculator. And this is the text box where the user cannot edit anything or user cannot make any changes here. And these are the buttons, these are the numbers, and these are the operands. These are the operators, and these are the operands. So first I want to perform some addition operation. Then equal to, the result is in the double. If I want to clear this, press the C button. If I want to perform any subtraction operation, and the result is 98 minus 45 equal to 53. Again I want to clear this one. And if I want to perform any multiplication, now I want to perform multiplication of any float of double operation. It is 6.8 into 4.3 equal to 29.24. Then again I want to clear this result. Now I want to perform the division of 8 divided by 3. This is 2.666. So this is how a calculator works. So this is a small mini project where you can all practice this. You can do on your own. Yeah, you can develop mini projects like this. Okay, I'll stop here. Thank you.